Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about hand-eye coordination and how to develop these skills in a child. There was an interesting comment which was made by my uncle about my previous fine motor skills activities. He said these activities can be useful for our elderly persons as well. Thank you, Uday Mama, for that comment. It was very interesting. I had not thought about in that direction. So if you have any elderly persons who are struggling a little bit with their fine motor skills or even hand-eye coordination, then maybe you can use these activities to help them as well. That's great, isn't it? Okay, now let's see what is hand-eye coordination, where we are going to use our vision and the muscles to work. So this vision and our muscles, hand, are going to work together. They're working as a team, hand in hand. So if one is not working properly, then the other one cannot perform the task how we want it to perform. So this is an easier way and a simpler way to put it to you what is hand-eye coordination. So let's see how we can help our children to develop these skills. There are many activities which you can do with your child to develop these skills. So for example, if you might have noticed that a little baby, when they are going to learn how to use the cutleries, they are trying to eat something. Say for example, they are trying to eat food using a fork, and you might have seen that they are struggling to pick the food from the fork and take it to their mouth. So they fail because they are still learning this skill. They have not developed it yet. And if you see it a little bit older child struggling to use the cutleries, then we know that they need a little bit more of a help to develop this hand-eye coordination. So for that, we will need some things which is available at home. So let's make an observation here with your child. Give them a spoon, or maybe say for example, give them 2 containers and put some big beans or beads or cotton balls or pom-poms in one of the container, and let them use some type of a pincer grip, maybe cloth pegs, and then let them pick it up and transfer it to another container. And if you see that the children, or even a spoon, just give them a spoon and ask them to pick it up and put it into another container. So if you see them struggling, then you know that they need a little bit of hand-eye coordination activities to develop these skills. And when you are playing throw and catch, that's also one good activity for them to develop their vision and their also hand. So when you are throwing a ball, they have to try to catch the ball. If they're not able to, then maybe they need a little bit more development in this skill. So you can play throw and catch, and then you can also play some balancing games with them, like let them walk on a narrow beam or a wall or anything. Just keep some pillows and let them walk on the pillows without losing their balance. This is also a good way. Or you can use a spoon and a lemon on it, or a potato on it, and then they have to walk. So this way they are using their vision and they're also hand, and they are concentrating when they are walking, isn't it? They don't want the potato or the lemon to fall down. So this is a good way to develop their hand-eye coordination. And also you can teach them how to stack the books on top of each other, not in a crooked way like a straight, or blocks, playing with the blocks, or Legos. This is also a very good activity. So if they are trying to use all these little activities, this way they are going to concentrate more, focus, and they are going to see what they are doing, and then they are also using their muscles to perform the activities. So the hand and eye coordinating. So these are little simple activities which you can do at home with your children to develop these skills. So this is one good and easy method. Or else you can also take 2 bowls and give them some things in there, anything like beans or pom-poms like I told you before, and give them some spoons. So let them pick it up one by one and put it into another container. There also they have to use their eyes. So this way they are concentrating and focusing, and they are also exercising their eyes so they can see and balancing it as well. So this is one good activity. And give them some water as well in 2 cups and let them pour it into another cup. This is a good way as well to develop these skills. So there are many skills where you can, many activities to use these skills and develop them. I hope it was very helpful. These are all very easy things which you can do it at home. Let the children practice. So as we say, practice makes man perfect. And don't judge your child when you are helping them to develop any type of skills. Okay, if they're frustrated, then it would not be very fun for them to learn any new skills at all. So if you are impatient, that will show up on your child, and it will be very difficult for a child to understand what's going on here and why you are getting frustrated and you are losing the patience. So don't do that. If you're not interested, or if your child is not interested, let them even try it for half a minute or 1 minute also is good. So 1 minute, like 1 drop fills up the whole well. So like that. So let them do it gradually. Don't force them to do all the activities at one time. Take it slowly, and every day keep doing these activities, and they will definitely improve this skill. So if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, so your friends and families can also benefit from this. And then, like I said, my uncle told, maybe you can use it on your elderly persons as well. So please let me know in the comment section if you have done these activities and if it was useful. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.